Hello YouTube. I'm going to give you guys a brief demonstration on my SSH plugin. So for ChatGPT. So it's called ChatSSHPlug. You can visit it online and you'll get brought to this screen right here. Let's go to login. For this demonstration I already created an account. And we're going to sign in. We get brought to this screen. So when you go to the screen, you're going to see that you have to purchase. But I already granted this one a package prior to this video to save some time. But you do a checkout with PayPal. You can choose whatever package you want. Checkout with PayPal. Very simple. And then you automatically get verified. You give it a couple seconds and then these numbers are going to update and then you're going to have options to add the server. Okay, so for this demonstration we're going to call a server called YouTube server. Let's say YouTube test actually. Okay. Now we're going to put the host. This is just test server. Username is root. And you have two options. You can use the PEM authentication or you can use the password authentication. For this demonstration we can use the password authentication. So let's say you add a bad password. I added the correct password, I just added a whole bunch of extra characters. So I hit add server, give it a second to respond, could not connect the server. Okay, we're going to put the correct server, wrong port, could not connect the server. So it verifies it before you go and add it. So now let's put the correct password again. Successfully added server. Okay, perfect. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to this link right here, right? ChatGPT key. This right here is the plugin link, and this right here is the key that you're going to use. Let's go to ChatGPT. Going to get greeted with this login, plugin store, install unverified plugin because it's unverified at this moment. We're going to hit find plugin. Okay, the message. Continue, and we're going to add this key right here. Install. Okay, so we're going to say hello ChatGPT. Please tell me the statuses of my servers. Let's say we have multiple servers. But we only have one server for this example, but let's say that was the case. You have one server with the following details. Can you, actually I was playing around with this, so, can you ping google.com? So you get the output and everything. Also, a good thing to note is that this automatically updates depending on what you put inside of it, right? So along with the logs that are kept over here on your on the ChatGPT, logs are kept here. Another important note is that passwords cannot be updated or seen again. Once you add it, you have to either remove the server and then re-add it to go and use it if you update the password or you update the PEM key. So let's say something else. What's a good command? Let's say we'll do ping again. Ping bing.com. Alright, now after this we're actually going to do something a little bit more interesting than just pinging. But this is just so you can see that this updates automatically. In the background I use a socket.io for the real-time communication. Just another cool little thing. Clear the logs. Clear the logs. Okay, again, this is just a dev server right here. It's not really high spec, so. Alright, another thing, so let's do something a little bit more interesting, right? I still use putty. That happened. Okay, we're going to SSH into this, and we're going to see this do its thing. Okay. Let's say wait. We're going to enter the password. Okay, we're going to run ls, right? Let's run SSH. Okay, so on YouTube server, please create a folder called YouTube test. Inside that folder, add a file called youtube.txt. That file should say, hello YouTube, this is a test. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're going to wait for it to execute. Let it do its thing. The commands were successfully executed on YouTube test. Folder called YouTube has been created inside a folder YouTube text. Okay, now let's see if it did it. Okay, I see YouTube test. Let's cd into it. Okay, now it's a youtube.txt. Now it's cat YouTube text. Hello, this is a test. Alright guys, brief demonstration right here. If you guys want to see anything more in depth, there's a lot of things this can do. You can install packages, you can install, I actually use this to install Node on the server, but you can use it for a lot of things, But if you guys have any questions, want any updates, definitely, this is an ongoing thing. I'm definitely going to keep adding to this. So please take a look at it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.